Watch the white ring. That is not smoke. That is a visible sphere of condensed air. A shock wave moving so fast, it momentarily crushes the moisture out of the atmosphere. This is the signature of a fuel-air event. Standard munitions carry their own oxidizer. They explode in a fraction of a second. But this system, it uses the atmosphere itself as a weapon. It happens in two stages. First, a small charge bursts the canister, spreading a fine mist of highly combustible fuel. This cloud is heavy. It flows like water. It seeps into tunnels, vents, and bunkers. Then, the second charge fires. Because the fuel is perfectly mixed with the oxygen in the air, the detonation doesn't just push outwards, it expands in a massive, sustained wave. In engineering terms, we call this high impulse. A standard bomb is a sharp punch. A fuel-air weapon is a crushing hydraulic press. This creates a phenomenon known as overpressure. The shock wave enters structures and reflects off the walls. The pressure builds until the concrete itself hits its yield point and fails. It is not the shrapnel that destroys the target. It is the sheer weight of the air. But the most dangerous part comes after the blast. The fire consumes all the local oxygen instantly. This creates a massive vacuum. The surrounding air rushes back in to fill the void, creating a secondary implosion. It is a terrifying application of fluid dynamics, and it creates a zone where physics itself becomes the enemy.